Hey folks, what a beautiful day it turned out to be across the valley today. Started kind of chilly this morning, but bright sunshine, southerly winds warming things back up into the 70s, in some places in the 80s. McAllen, Rio Grande City, cooler at the beach, about 69, but still a very nice day. Wall-to-wall sunshine across the valley. Tonight, not as cool as the last couple of nights, upper 50s for the most part, a little warmer at the beach, about 63 at South Padre. Mainly clear skies, a breeze out of the south during the nighttime hours. Tomorrow, we warm up a little more, and that southerly breeze or southeasterly wind starts to bring the moisture back in. And even though we're a little bit warmer, we're probably going to see some clouds around the area tomorrow. Temperature-wise, the normal high is now up to 74. It's gone up one more, and we'll be above that 80, 82, 84 through the next few days. Not up in record territory, but again, 6 to 10 degrees above average for this time of year. Satellite, about as clear as it can be. There's not a cloud to be found over the area today. Let's watch tonight. Future Track says it stays quiet tonight until morning. Then the clouds start to show up and maybe even a sprinkle or two. But I think you're looking at 1/100 of an inch of rain, 200ths. I mean, just enough to say, oh, look, it may have rained, and that's about it. Very light stuff during the daytime tomorrow, but the clouds are probably going to dominate. That's the case tomorrow night as well. And just keep seeing those little green dots show up. The suggestion is on and off misty drizzle, but not just continuous. Clouds will be continuous, but we'll see drizzle every once in a while. I think that forecast is going to hold into next week, so your rain chances stay in the 10 to 20% range all the way into Monday and beyond. Nothing big, nothing measurable or just barely measurable. It's just, again, the stuff that barely touches the bottom of the rain gauge. Rest of South Texas, 85 in Falfurrias right now. Laredo's 82. Corpus Christi at 73. Same thing in San Antonio. Cooler when you get to North Texas. Dallas is 57. Lubbock at 53 at this hour. Look for clouds in the state, and you see some this morning, some high clouds moving across, but that's about it. There's actually a front in the middle of the state right now, but it's not going to get here. If anything, it turns into a warm front and backs back away from us by tomorrow. So we're on the warm side. Southerly wind continues. That keeps us warm and keeps us humid. Sunday, not a whole lot of change, but we start to see fronts on the weather map again. This one by Monday gets close, and that's where the models go about three different directions. Three different directions, but you end up with eventually a front coming through the valley. The question is when. Some of the models say early Tuesday, cooling Tuesday off. Most of the models say it stays just north of us until Tuesday night. After that, temperatures cool off for the middle part of next week and then stay cool for a day or two, and then we bounce back after that. It's the weekend, right? Let's look at travel weather. San Antonio, 7 in the morning, 46. Dallas, 39. Houston, 48. By afternoon, it warms up a little bit, but we're 80. San Antonio, 61. Dallas, 60. Certainly, the warm spot in the state will be right down here, but we'll probably also have more clouds than most of the rest of the state. So for tonight, 58 for your low. Just a few clouds, breezy and cool, south to southeast winds. Then tomorrow, we're back up to 80 degrees, but clouds thicken up. It'll be breezy, that southeast wind 10 to 20, and it'll be very warm. Windy conditions on Sunday. We're up to 82, and both days there could be a sprinkle or two around. Monday's mainly dry. Then we get kind of up and down next week. Tuesday at this point still looks warm. Front comes late Tuesday. We're much cooler for Wednesday, and then we bounce back the end of the week. But again, those temperatures Wednesday, Thursday, even late Tuesday, changeable depending on the timing of the front. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.